Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can take long screenshot on OPPO A60. So in order to capture the long or scrolling screenshot, first we need to capture the screenshot in its normal way. So of course we have three methods. We can use the volume down and power button at the same time. So just to demonstrate, like this, press both of these buttons at the same time in order to capture. We can also use the gesture if the gesture is enabled, so we can swipe three fingers from the top to the bottom like so. And of course you might be also able to use the screenshot button through the quick access. So now let's open an app that has lots of information that we can scroll through. So let's say I'm going to choose this Google app. As you can see, the page is quite long. In order to capture the scrolling or long screenshot, I need to capture the screenshot in the normal way, and then on the left side we can press scroll button. And now I can scroll down in order to capture as much as I want. So let's say I want to capture this much to this point. I can press done. Now let's wait a couple of seconds. And after that I can tap on the screenshot in order to open it. And as you can see, we have our long screenshot. It ends exactly where I pointed it, and it started where I had my screen. And yeah, that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching, leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye!